So I'm just wandering through this path right now, looking for dried ferns, because that's one of the best things you can actually use for hanging up orchids. They just like love growing on those. And we have a lot of orchids that need to be rehung because the way we hung them up just didn't work at all. Like they just did not like the setup. But yeah, there should be a couple around here. I saw some a few days ago. Oh, here's one. So this is the base of a dried fern right here. So how we're gonna do this is I brought my handy dandy machete, which is the best tool if you live in the jungle, works for everything. And then we're just gonna try and cut it right at the base. Oh, a lot of stuff over here. Trying to make sure there's no snakes, snaky snakes. Ooh. Oh, all right. Here we are. Here's the piece of fern I wanted. It's actually quite wide. It's gonna work great for orchids. I got a really big orchid that needs to be re-strapped to something, so it'll just be hanging up in our greenhouse and work perfectly for them. So there's a giant fern right next to me. This is the same one that we just harvested, the same species. And they start as tiny little things like this big. This one's maybe 12 feet tall, maybe a little bit more, 4 meters. So here's the base of it. It goes all the way up. And once they dry out or die, they're like the best thing you can use for orchids or any other plant that likes to like grab onto something. So that's where we're going around and finding some to use. Oh no, just ran into my window. Poor little guy. So I made the bird a little nest, and the window's wide open for him for when he wants to head out. So he just got up and flew over to this branch. He's just chilling out. His mouth isn't open, he's not panning anymore. So I think he's doing a lot better. Here's a little guy right here. He will absolutely take my finger off if I put it in there. Whoa! There we go. Did at some point, but oh, he's looking for more. Look, up here. There we go. There's actually an expo happening right next door. That's a chocolate expo. And well, Costa Rica is very famous for its chocolate, so I'm gonna go take a look and maybe find some Christmas gifts for people. Hello. Gracias. So I'm here in the chocolate expo, which I did not know was occurring, and there's lots of cool stuff here. Mint is just giving out free chocolate at the entrance, that's cool. And yeah, I'm just trying to see what other free stuff I can get. They also have this chocolate orchid V2. Took them 2 days to make. It's 7.5 kilos of chocolate. This thing's insane. So I'm here with BC Chocolate from Costa Rica. And basically all the energy they use to produce their chocolate is bicycle powered. So this is one of the machines they actually use. ¿Qué hace esta máquina?
Esto lo que hace es cubrir semillas con chocolate.
So over here he's actually making super traditional hot chocolate. He's using this clay pot and he's just prepping it. Oh wow, that is delicious. That's amazing. Gracias.